So in this video, I'll be withdrawing my points on Ipsos iSay for this $10 PayPal cash. So I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can do this. Hello guys, welcome to another video of the Daily Shift. So today we'll be making a withdrawal to my PayPal account. So currently on PayPal I have $10.43. So today I will be withdrawing these points to my PayPal account, right? Okay, I think I've said that. So as you can see that different gift cards that you can actually redeem right here. But for me, I want this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to redeem now, because I hope that I've put my real PayPal email address, right? Okay, first of all, I want to check something if I had put the real PayPal, right? So your PayPal will now be installed to your account, so you'll receive a link access. So actually, I haven't really withdrawn anything so far, so good. So if your PayPal email address is different from your Ipsos email, please consider adding Ipsos iSay email to your PayPal. They said PayPal lets users have multiple email addresses linked to your single account. You can easily add it to your PayPal settings. Check out. So I don't think my Ipsos iSay is the same. I don't think so. So what I can do though is that this Ipsos iSay is linked to my email, which is another one. Let me check right here. So I think it's the same email that I have, right? Okay, so what I can do, let me do this. Let me go back there. Order. Let me make maybe my primary email, which is the other one. So as you can see, I've added this one as my primary email, right? So I'm going to go to this part there. Then I'm going to say save. I'm supposed to receive this order. Okay. So I think my points have been deducted right now. Okay, let me see if it will arrive. So my account balance, let me check. I think this is actually the one that I did. So it's PayPal there, deducted. So the email that actually created is this one. So your reward has arrived, your $10 is here. So I can actually access this card. Actually, it's a card. I didn't even know that is actually a gift card. So, wow. So let me check if I can redeem this thing, right? So I've been directed to this reward center where you have to redeem your payout. Say your reward is here. Time to treat yourself. Enjoy $10 payout. We appreciate your insights. Keep sharing to earn even more rewards. Ipsos iSay. So the activation code will expire in 90 days from this date. So let me just activate my payout. So it is collier.m4@gmail. I think that will be it. So I'm going to confirm. Then wait for a few seconds. Then the payout is ready. Now take me to PayPal. So they said your $10 has been sent using the email address provided below. Most payouts are instant, but please allow a few minutes for processing. So I said take me to PayPal. So we'll wait until it has reflected. I think I shouldn't have changed the primary address to begin with. I think the one that was there was going to be fine. Oh, here's reflected, guys. So this is how you withdraw on Ipsos iSay, like the PayPal gift card. So as you can see, my balance is $20.43, which is amazing. So I'm actually going to be withdrawing this to my bank balance, right? In fact, I'll send it to someone who will withdraw it for me. So as you can see, guys, this is just another way to make money online. Let me see the last time I withdraw money on this account. I think it was when, let me see. So I withdrew $64 on the 13th of January. Then I also withdrew another $13.90 on the 13th, or same day actually. So it is about 70 something dollars. So that's 13th January. So today is what? Today is around 25, let me say 27 actually. So guys, that's it about this video. And again, thank you for watching this video. And also watch some other videos as well. And again, guys, what I wanted to inform you is that I think from this time on, I want to be making much of these videos, right? Probably I'll be making 1 or 2 videos there and there, but I need to be concentrating on something. There's something that I want to do, which I want to concentrate on, and I'll be busy. I've got another channel that I need to start, which is actually a business channel, business-based channel, especially for small businesses. And if you have a business, and maybe small business, and you need some kind of tips and stuff, I think you'll be getting that from that particular channel. So I'm actually looking for a way to make these videos like a video format. I want something that is simple, not something that won't stress me out. I know, do a voiceover and do images. I don't want to do a little bit of more editing. So guys, again, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you in the next video.